In today's connected world, emailing invoices makes a lot more sense than sending hard copies in the mail, but there are definitely some tricks to getting it right. This video covers the nuts and bolts of sending invoices by email. The most important part of emailing an invoice is making sure you're sending it to the right person or the billing department of a large company. And after you've sent the first one, call to confirm that they received it. If you had a typo in the billing email address, it's better to find out sooner rather than later. It's also a good idea to ask if they have any questions at all about any aspect of the invoice, as confusion can lead to payment delays. Timing matters too. Send invoices as soon as you've completed the job. If you're working on a big project and you'll be invoicing as you go, send them according to a regular timeline that you and your client have agreed to. Try to keep the invoice interval short, like every other Monday or on the 20th of each month, to help keep your bank balance from dipping any lower than it has to. If you're juggling multiple clients, consider using invoicing software, which can email your repeating invoices automatically. Since you'll attach the detailed invoice to the email, you don't need to include much information in the body of the email itself. Stick with something simple, maybe including just the invoice number and due date, plus your usual friendly sign-off. Double check that all details you mention in your email match the details in the invoice itself. Especially if you're sending a whole bunch of invoices to different clients at the same time, cut and paste disasters are a serious risk. Again, invoicing software takes the stress out of this process, making it a lot harder to accidentally paste the wrong invoice amount or due date into your email message. And when you're sending your own invoice emails, you obviously want to double check that you have in fact attached the invoices. Speaking of attachments, it's a smart idea to send your invoices as PDFs rather than in a format that can be edited. This reduces the risk that someone could change the details with the intention of committing invoice fraud, which sadly is increasingly common. If you're really concerned about this possibility, use invoicing software to send secure online invoices, which don't involve any attachments at all. Your customer simply clicks on a link to see what they owe. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other small business guides.